Hello everyone, welcome back to the AI by Peter channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tips and tricks to boost your productivity and business using AI technology. Are you spending hours editing videos, yet the results aren't as great as you'd hoped? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a fantastic AI tool that allows you to create professional quality videos in just a few minutes, even if you don't have any video editing skills. Instead of spending thousands on a video ad, you can create amazing videos yourself for the cost of just 1 cup of coffee a day. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use AI Videogen, one of the most powerful AI video creation platforms available today. What is AI Videogen? AI Videogen is an automated video creation platform powered by AI. It supports over 40 languages, offers access to more than 3 million royalty-free images and videos, and includes over 150 AI-generated voices with natural-sounding narration. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, small business owner, or just someone wanting to make a video for personal use, AI Videogen has got you covered. Step 1. Sign up or log in. First, go to the AI Videogen website by using the link in the description below. Click on Sign up for free or log in quickly using Google. Step 2. Create a new video. Click on Create Video. There are 3 types of media: standard stock for free scale, generative images, and premium iStock for pro scale. Select suitable clip pace, fast, medium, slow, or very slow, and select the aspect ratio. If you're making a video for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Reels, select a 9:16 ratio. For Instagram or Facebook ads, choose 1.1. For YouTube or Twitter, choose 16.9. Click Continue. Then, enter a title and a short description of the video content you want to create. For example, if you want to make a video about top 10 practices that can help our environment, just paste your topic into the content box. Choose your language: English, Vietnamese, Chinese. Set the length: short, medium, long, or even custom word count. Click the arrow icon to start creating the video, and within seconds you'll have a complete video, including narration and eye-catching visuals, without needing any expensive editing software. Step 3. Customize your content. AI Videogen also allows you to add music, voiceovers in various languages and styles. You can customize the video background, images, and even add auto-generated subtitles. Every second you hesitate, your competitors are using AI to grow faster. With Videogen, you not only save time, but you also double your creative potential. Step 4. Preview and publish. Click Preview to review your video.
Single-use plastics by opting for reusable bags, bottles, and containers. Conserving energy is another key step. Turning off lights, using energy-efficient appliances, and switching to LED bulbs all make a difference. Recycling and properly sorting waste.
Recycling and properly sorting waste keeps unnecessary materials out of landfills and allows for valuable resources to be reused. Choosing public transportation, biking, or walking instead of driving reduces harmful emissions in the air. Supporting local and organic food sources limits transportation pollution and pesticide use. Planting trees and creating green spaces improve air quality and provide wildlife habitats. Using water wisely, fixing leaks and taking shorter showers preserves this precious resource. Volunteering for environmental cleanup projects strengthens communities and ecosystems. Finally, spreading awareness and advocating for sustainable policies ensures that collective action continues for a healthier planet.
Once you're satisfied with the video, simply click Share to download the video in stunning 4K resolution, ready to upload to YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook instantly. And the best part? AI Videogen is super fast. You can create hundreds of videos in no time, unlocking countless opportunities to generate revenue. Isn't this AI amazing? If you think so, leave a great in the comments below. Investing in AI Videogen is an investment in your content's future. Let AI help you break through in the digital age. Don't let your competitors get ahead of you. Sign up for Videogen today and experience the difference. Unlike many free tools with limited features, AI Videogen offers premium features at a small fee. Trust me, it's worth every penny. Click on Upgrade Plan and choose between Pro Scale and Business plans. The Pro Scale plan is perfect for most content creators. If you choose the yearly payment option, it's only around $12 a month. Monthly payment is $22 a month. It's a small investment, but it saves you hours of video editing, money on hiring editors, and the hassle of learning complex video editing. Plus, I'm giving you a 30% discount code to help save more. That's just over $80 a year. What a deal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll be happy to assist.